The Realme C21 is an amazing phone that offers excellent features at an incredibly affordable price. With a 6.5-inch IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen and a resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, this phone provides a great viewing experience. The phone also has a 13MP plus 2MP plus 2MP back camera and a 5MP front camera, making it perfect for capturing memories. The LiPo 5000 mAh battery ensures that you can keep using the phone for extended periods without recharge.
Introducing the Samsung Galaxy A03. This phone features a 6.5-inch IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen display with a resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels. It has 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage, which can be expanded up to 1 TB via microSD card. The Galaxy A03 also has a rear-mounted 48MP plus 2MP dual camera setup and a front-facing 5MP camera. It is powered by a 5000 mAh battery and runs Android 9.0 Pie out of the box. The Xiaomi Redmi 10A is an affordable phone that doesn't skimp on features. This 6.53 device has a 720 by 1600 pixel resolution, making it perfect for watching videos or browsing the web. The 13MP plus 2MP back camera lets you capture stunning photos and videos, while the 5MP front camera is perfect for selfies. The Li-ion 5000 mAh battery provides up to 25 hours of talk time, so you can stay connected even when on the go. The Tecno Spark 8C is a phone of the future. It has a 6.6-inch screen with a 720 by 1612 pixel resolution, so you can enjoy all your favorite movies and games in stunning detail. The Tecno Spark 8C also comes with dual SIM support, so you can keep your work and personal life separate. With its 5000 mAh LiPo battery, the Tecno Spark 8C will last all day long, so you'll never have to worry about running out of power. The Nokia G21 is an excellent option for a large-screen phone at an affordable price. It has a large 6.5-inch screen that displays in 720 by 1600 resolution, making it perfect for watching videos or browsing the web. Plus, with 4 or 6 GB of RAM, this phone can handle even the most demanding apps and games. And with a 5050 mAh LiPo battery, you'll be able to use your Nokia G21 all day long without having to worry about running out of power. The Vivo Y01 is a marvel of modern technology. With a powerful 5000 mAh battery, you can enjoy hours of entertainment without having to worry about running out of power. The 8MP back camera lets you capture stunning photos and videos, and the 2 GB RAM ensures that you can run even the most demanding apps with ease. Plus, the built-in 32 GB memory provides plenty of space for your music, movies, and other files.